title of this video is Invest in Yourself. And this doesn't just mean investing in terms of finance. It also means investing in terms of time and investing in terms of education. In the UK in the 1990s, the Labour Party ran an election campaign and their slogan was education, education, education. Although they were trying to win votes by encouraging parents of school children to vote for them for a better education for their kids, having a better education for yourself is one of the best things that you can do for yourself, one of the best things that you can do for your business. Because investing in yourself is very important since you form the core of your business. So in a sense, your knowledge and abilities are the backbone of the company. So the more education you have about the way that your business works and about the way that business works in general, the better you're going to be as a person, the better your business is going to be, and of course, the more profitable it's likely to be. Now, of course, time is a limited thing, so you do have to work this into your day, but there are some ways that you can do it. And probably the easiest way is to study after work. Now, with the fast-paced nature of technology, you really do need to make an effort to stay at the top. And you can do this by keeping yourself up to date and in touch with the latest trends on the internet and the world around you. So what you can do is create a custom RSS feed page of news that's related to your industry or niche, and you can read that in the evenings after you've finished work. You can subscribe to industry-related magazines, to industry-related newsletters, and to blogs. And again, you can read them in your free time. And you can network and you can talk to other people in your niche. You can also use your idle time. Now, time is gold when you run a business, and you'll soon discover that 24 hours in a day really isn't long enough. So you should avoid wasting precious time by putting it to good use. And your daily commute may be used to come up with ideas for your business. And you can, as I was saying in the last point, study during your idle time. If you commute by train, if you take the train or the subway, like in this picture here, then you can use that time to read or to study. If you take public transport of any kind, if you take the bus, for example, to your office, then you can also use that time. If you drive your car, obviously you need to concentrate on the road, so therefore studying on your commute probably isn't a good idea. But other times, if you just go for a walk, you can use that to tune your mind into things that might be able to improve your business. And this is another thing, tuning in your mind. You need to improve your personal virtues, because your mindset has a huge impact on the success of your business. Now, positive thinking may not guarantee success, but negative thinking does have a tendency towards self-fulfillment. So having the right mindset means having the willingness to work hard until your goals are achieved. And this line of thinking is grounded in reality, and it avoids irrational thinking. So, in other words, effort is needed for success. And you need to train your brain to think that. And you also need to invest in your physical appearance. Most online entrepreneurs will try to connect with their audience as part of their business plan. And this is usually done through videos posted on websites or newsletters. And in this context, investing in yourself means making yourself look presentable to your audience. So with this in mind, make a point to observe proper grooming before recording that video. And also, if you're networking with people in real life, there's the old saying, never judge a book by its cover, but unfortunately people do. So if you look scruffy, if you're down at heel, If you look like you're struggling, if you're hard up, then people will think, well, gosh, their business isn't doing very well because look how scruffy they're dressed, look how unkempt they look. So when you make a point of investing in your physical appearance, when you wear nice clothes, when you get your hair done, then that, of course, creates a good impression for people that you meet. Something else that you need to do is to get outside of your comfort zone. Now, sticking inside your personal comfort zone, well, it's part of human nature, and it keeps you feeling safe and secure. However, this often prevents you from expanding your horizons and learning new things, and that's bad for business. New ideas come up almost every day, and it would be a shame to pass on them. So investing in yourself means getting out of your comfort zone and taking risks every once in a while. And trying new things can lead to better and more efficient ways of conducting business. But the thing is, you have to try them for yourself. So being receptive to new ideas and taking risks is the key to both success and to life.